Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I know it's been such a long time, but you guys, I promise I won't be quitting. I'll just be slowing down as I revamp my channel and try to figure out what direction I want to go in next. As you guys know, the algorithm doesn't favor all creators, so I just been in a little bit of a funk. Okay. I feel like that happens all the time because my channel for some reason is just stagnant. Okay, so without further ado, I want to present to you guys some products that I've been using and testing out as I've been taking a little bit of a break. I hope you guys are doing wonderful and thank you so much for watching. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I have here is the NYX The Brow Glue. That is it right here. Really cute, really compact. I really like it. I have it on my eyebrows today. That's the little brush. I think it's perfect size to just really detail and really get that eyebrows down. I really like this because my brows tend to go in all different directions, and I really think this really slicks it down perfect. Only thing I don't like about this is that it's kind of like sticky and like gooey and stretchy, so it kind of like on the edge right there, the product tends to like really spread like this, so just be careful when you're opening it. Just like tap the excess on the corner so it doesn't get everywhere, especially if you're already dressed, and then you can just apply it on perfectly. It's not a must-have, but if you want to try a different brow gel, I think this is a really good one. I think it really works. So there you go. Next thing I've been loving is liquid liners. I've been really into wing liners. I don't know what is going on, but that's me. I have two from the drugstore and one from Sephora, and I also want to try the one from Kat Von D again because I forgot how it was. I heard that's like one of the best, but I really like this. It's a really nice matte formula. It goes on wet, but it dries so fast, but you do have to wait for it to dry. It takes like 5 seconds or 10 seconds, but you can't do it before then because it will transfer. Only thing I don't like about this is the price, but I did it on sale for 12 bucks I think, but it's 2-in-1. It's a liner and a pencil, so that's not bad, and it's really matte and it really does last all day. I do have it on my eyes today, so I really like this one. And I also like the Wet n Wild Break-Proof liquid eyeliner, waterproof liquid eyeliner, as well as the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. This one is ultra black, the Wet n Wild, and this one is black, and they're both good. Only thing is just be careful when you're closing them because the brushes tend to kind of like flare out and it gets too messy. It will mess up your liner. But the drugstore ones, I feel like to get that intensity, you need two. Like I usually do it because I feel like I'm always on the go and rushing, so I use one on one side and one on the other. You can get two of the same one or two of the different brands, I don't know, whatever you like, but I feel like for me with this or with any liner, the intensity is always good on the first use, and then you gotta wait for the ink to go down, and I don't have time for that, so I usually just do two. I know it's weird, but I love them. They're both good. They all last very well, but again, the pigmentation, the intensity is good when you use like one. Try wait a little bit and then do the other one, or use two. So yeah, so I really like these three. They're amazing. And like I said, I don't know what's going on for the past 3 months. I've just been doing wing liner and two like neutral shades on my eyelid, or a little bit of shimmer if I have time, but mostly just two shadows and I'm done. I don't know what's going on, but then I put the wing on and the lashes on and I am good to go. So like that's been my signature look for since the pandemic happened, of course, because you know the eye is the center, so I decided to add liner, and yeah, so I've been loving it. So let me know what you think about these liners. Okay, next thing I've really been loving are mascaras. Oh my god, you guys, if you don't do your lashes, you do need a good mascara. And of course, I have the Maybelline High Sky Lash Sensational. Woof, that's a tongue twister mascara, and I had the color Very Black. Guys, I only got this for the aesthetics because I'm really into that rose gold, like mauve pink, like blush pink look. I don't like hot pink, but I like that kind of pink, and I thought this would be really cute for my aesthetics, and that's really why I got it. It's a drier formula, not something that I'm used to. I like when it's a little bit wet, but this one is a drier formula, and that's how the brush and the wand is. It does work, but again, I think the hype on this was just too much. I wasn't wowed by it. Honestly, I only got it and kept it because I used coupons and I like the aesthetics. However, it's not my best formula. It's a little drier than I would expect for me, than I would prefer for me. but it's good. Okay, it would separate your lashes, give you a little bit of a length, a little bit of volume, but nothing crazy like the It Cosmetics superhero mascara is what I'm trying to say. So if you want to get it, if you want to support Maybelline, get it. If you like the aesthetics, get it, but it's not gonna be like a wow factor like TikTok was saying, or like a lot of content creators are saying. It's just okay is what I'm saying actually. And then we also have the new L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara, and have the waterproof version. I really, again, I got this for the aesthetics. This one is also great. Again, I prefer this formula because it's a little bit wet. This one is a little bit drier, and you kind of like a little, like you will get like a little part of like some of the mascara will like ball up, and you could kind of see it on your lashes as you put. It's not too much, but it's enough for me to notice that. So you have to work with that and trying to get it off, but that's just my thing with that one. This one is a little bit wet. That's the brush right there. It's different from the other one. Again, these mascaras are good. They do the job. You notice that something is there. Like, you notice your lashes. It does a little bit of a volume. It separates your lashes. It gives you a little bit of length. But again, nothing crazy like the It Cosmetics superhero mascara. I still feel like that one is unmatched. Okay, so I like that one. Or, you know, whatever mascara you like, I just feel like this won't surpass that is what I'm saying. The next one that people have really been loving is the e.l.f. Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. Again, I really got this for the aesthetics and because people have been really like hyping this up. Here is the brush. This one is not too dry and it's not too wet, which I also like. And that's the brush. Okay, this is kind of like the High Sky one. This one is actually, you know, for e.l.f. mascara, I'm pretty impressed with this. Okay, it's I don't know, it makes your lashes look spider like you can notice it. If you look at my blog, you will see what I'm talking about. I always have all the products displayed on my blog, and guys, you can go and see. Oh my god, this, it's not wow, but it's noticeable for the price, and I'm just like, oh my god, I like it. Like, I will prefer this as opposed to these two. That's what I'm trying to say here. Like, I'm pretty impressed. Like, I would buy this too because e.l.f. has so many sales, drugstores have so many sales, CVS has so many sales. I'm just like, wow. And this is in the color black. I'm just impressed. I saw a difference, you know. It's just a wow factor for me for the price and for e.l.f. I never tried too many of their mascara. I think I only tried one, if anything, but I was quite impressed. Okay, compared to these ones, I'm saying it's pretty good. I would prefer this. Like, this is something that I would definitely repurchase again. So there you go with that. Last but not least, Revlon has come up with a couple of new things. Okay, and this one is the Color Stay Satin Ink Gloss, and I have the color 003 in So Deep. Guys, this is actually I'm not a satin type of girl, but like, I actually will buy another color that's like a nude, pinkish nude, like brown, I don't know, lighter nude. But this right here smells so good, and I don't know, it's a gloss, but it's full coverage. Like, I don't even know, it's just so nice, and it lasts so long. Like, I wore it for like 10-12 hours and I barely had to, you know, reapply. It's just a really nice, I like when glosses have coverage, you know. I feel like without a lip liner under, like, I feel like with normal glosses, people usually like fully line and cover their lips and then top it off, and I feel like you don't even need a liner with these. Like, or unless it's like a bright color. This is so good. Like, I don't know, I'm not a satin person, but this really made me like, okay, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling the formula, the longevity, I'm feeling the color range, I'm feeling the formula, I'm feeling the shine, I'm feeling it. It's so good. I feel like you should definitely try it. And with the coupons at CVS, I'm like, sign me up. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys will come back again soon. I have so many videos you will enjoy. Otherwise, please don't forget to praise God, stay safe, and see you guys on my next video. Ciao guys, bye bye, God bless. Mwah.